Hello and welcome. To solve this problem, we will use the recurrence identity for symmetric sums. That is this identity. Sn is equal to a plus b multiplied by Sn minus 1 minus a times b multiplied by Sn minus 2, where Sn is equal to a to the power n plus b to the power n. Of course, in our case, you can see that n is equal to 5. So we will calculate S5, and that's going to be equal to a plus b multiplied by S5 minus 1 is 4 minus a times b multiplied by S5 minus 2 is 3. So to calculate S5, we must calculate S3, S4, and A times B. Now, to find the value of AB, let us remember that A squared plus B squared is equal to A plus B squared minus 2AB. Now, of course, we know that A squared plus B squared is equal to 2. So here we have 2. A plus b is equal to 1. Here we have 1 squared minus 2ab. Rearranging this equation, we can bring this over to the left-hand side and take this over to the right-hand side. When we do that, we have 2ab is equal to 1 squared minus 2. Of course, 1 squared minus 2 is minus 1. Dividing both sides of this equation by 2, we have that AB is equal to minus 1 over 2. Now let us calculate the values of S3 and S4. So we have that S3 is equal to A plus B multiplied by S2 minus AB multiplied by S1. A plus b, of course, is equal to 1. S2 is 2. AB is minus half. And S1 is 1. From here, we have 2 minus minus is plus. And we have half. So this is equal to, let us write 2 as 4 over 2. So that they have the same denominator. Now we can simply add the numerators, and this is equal to 5 over 2. Now to calculate S4, it's going to be equal to A plus B multiplied by S3 minus AB multiplied by S2. This is equal to, once more, A plus B is 1. S3 we have calculated to be 5 over 2 minus AB is minus half, and S2, remember, is equal to 2. Now, 1 multiplied by 5 over 2 is 5 over 2. Minus minus is plus, and 2 multiplied by half is 1. Let us write 1 as 2 over 2. 5 plus 2 is 7, and we have 2. Now to calculate S5, we have A plus B multiplied by S4 minus A times B multiplied by S3. A plus B is 1. S4 is 7 over 2 minus A times B is minus half, and S3 is 5 over 2. 1 times 7 over 2 is 7 over 2. Minus minus is plus. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 2 is 4. Now to add these two, let us find the LCM. The LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 7, 14. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 5, 5. 14 plus 5 is 19, and we have 4. So we have that a to the power 5 plus b to the power 5 is equal to 19 over 4. Now there's an alternative way of calculating a to the power 5 plus b to the power 5. We know that a to the power 5 plus b to the power 5 is equal to a plus b multiplied by a to the power 4 minus a cubed b plus a squared b squared minus a b cubed plus b to the power 4. Now from here we have a plus b into, let us collect like terms, we have a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. Now we can factorize these three because we have a common factor, which is minus ab. Now, minus a cube b divided by minus ab is going to give us a squared. Minus ab cubed divided by minus ab is going to give us plus b squared. And a squared b squared divided by minus ab is going to give us minus ab. But let us look at this. That is a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. Of course, we know that this can be written as a squared squared plus b squared squared. And once more, we can factorize this as a squared plus b squared squared minus 2a squared b squared. So we can replace this in this with this. And when we do that, we have that a to the power 5 plus b to the power 5 is equal to a plus b, that is this, multiplied by this now becomes this, that is a squared plus b squared squared minus 2a squared b squared, then minus ab multiplied by a squared plus b squared minus ab. Now all we have to do is to substitute. Of course, we know that a plus b is equal to 1. A squared plus b squared is equal to 2, and 2 squared is 4. This is 2a squared b squared. Let us remember that a squared b squared is equal to ab squared. And we have already calculated ab to be minus half. So this is equal to minus half squared, which is equal to 1 over 4. And 2 times 1 over 4 is equal to half. So this is minus half. Now here we have minus AB. But remember that AB is already negative. So this is going to be plus half into, now A squared plus B squared is 2. Minus A times B is minus half. So this also is going to be plus. Now, first of all, we evaluate this. So we have 4 minus half plus 2 plus half. Let us write 2 as 4 over 2. So here we have 4 plus 1, which is 5. So this is going to be half times 5 over 2. 4 minus half is 3 and half, that is 7 over 2, plus 5 times 1 is 5, 2 times 2 is 4. Once more, finding the LCM, we have 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 7, 14. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 5, 5. And we have 19 over 4 as the value of a to the power 5 plus b to the power 5. Now that you have seen two different ways of doing the same thing, it's left for you to decide which way is easier. If there's another way of doing it, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.